and good afternoon to all. This is the fourth day of 75 days lead coding challenge. And here's the problem Pascal's triangles 2. Let's see the problem. Before going into the problem statement, please make sure that you have like and subscribe this channel. Please, that give me a much motivation. So let's read the problem statement now. So here's the problem. Given integer row index, return the row index of row. This one. So in Pascal's triangle, each number in the sum of the two index directly above it as shows. So this is the Pascal's triangle problem 2. Here's the Pascal triangle problem 1 also. In that problem, we have to return the whole Pascal triangle. But in this problem, we have to return the row index equals to 3. Example, row index equals to 3. For 0, 1, 2, and 3. This I have to return 1, 3, 3, 1. I have to return. So let's see the problem statement. Let's see the example also. If we have given input row index equals to 3, then we can see the Pascal triangle 1, then 1, 1, then add up of these two will come here and it will be 1 to 1, and add up of these two will come here 3, add up of these two will come here 3, and this will be 1. It means first and last digit will be always 1 in Pascal triangle, and the middle of the digits will be the sum of the previous of two digits. So if row index equals to 3, then this we have to return 1331. If row index equals to 0 means this one 0, 1, 2, 3, then this one is 0, then this we have to return. So we have to return 1. And row index equals to 1, then 0 and 1, 1, 1 we have to return. So let's discuss about the intuition for this problem. Before going on into the intuition part and approach part, let's think by yourself. That will give you much motivation as I think. So let's go on the intuition part for this. Be- Hmm. So here is the intuition for this problem. As we can see the triangle, Pascal triangle, one is coming, then another one is coming, then 1 to 1. So we can see it is the 11 to the power 0th index number. If 11 to the power 0 will be 1, then 11 to the power 1, then 11 to the power 2, 1 to 1. Then it will be 11 to the power 3, then it will be 4. But we can't use this approach because this approach is valid for the one index number. But if we have two digit number, then we can't use this approach because two digit number 11 to the power, if I take the example 11 to the power 12, then that will be the out of bound number. So we can't use long also. So this trick will fail for two digit number. So let's think about the another trick. We know in Pascal triangle one approach, we make the whole triangle and print that triangle. By using that approach, we can solve this problem also. But in that approach, we took the space vector of vector 2D space. So in this problem we have given we can't take any space, means we can take O of k space because that will be necessary to return the whole index. As another that we are not taking other space also. So we can see if I have this 1 1 1 1 1. So if I want to print the third row, then I have to bother about these two numbers. I'll print first and the last will be the 1. Then middle number will be the sum of the previous two numbers. Then this will be 1 plus 1 2. This is the third row. If I want to print fourth row, then first and last will be the 1, and sum of the previous two will be the uh, middle index. Then this will be 3 and this will also be 3. So let's see the this approach. Okay, so let's discuss about the time complexity for this. So time complexity we can see we are traversing from the back and from the upward also. So time complexity will be big of k square, and we are taking the space only for returning the vector. If I want to return the third row index, then I have to return 1331. So I am taking that much space because that much is necessary for returning the whole vector. So big of k is necessary, or we are not taking we are not using any space. So let's see the coding part for this. Mhm. Yes. If I want to do this question by using the Pascal 1 method, then that code will be this. I am directly returning the code. That code will be this. I will use the two loops for I equals to 0 to row index plus 1. Then I will create a vector. It is like I am taking a row and the column index, and I am taking the previous two elements. If b of I minus 1 of j or b of I minus 1 of j minus 1, then I will add up these two elements. That will be the middle element of our new row. Then I will print that. But in that I am taking space big of k square. That is not a good solution, we can say. So let's optimize this solution. So in new solution, I'll create a 1D vector to return our final index. So vector of int of answer of size row index plus 1, and I am initializing with this minus 1 because first and last will be the minus 1, and the middle one will be the sum of the previous two elements, and that's why I am initializing with the minus with the plus 1, and I am creating a loop in for int I equals to 0 to I less than row index, then plus plus I. I am another creating a loop because in this we can see in that approach we can see we are traversing from the right to left part. So into j equals to I to j greater than 0, then minus minus j, and we will directly return in answer of j plus equals to answer of j minus 1 previous element, and we'll directly return our answer. So let's run this code, and now we will see what happened. This will be integer part, yeah. Yeah, it is working perfect as you can see. Let's submit this and we can see it is a better solution, beats 100% of C++ users, because you can see here we are using the big of k square time complexity that is necessary. We can't handle this because if we want to print, then we have to traverse the row and column wise. That we can't handle. But space we can handle, and we handled the space in previous approach. As you can see, we were taking big of k square time space complexity, but in this approach we are taking only big of k time complexity, and we are not using another space for this. We are just for using this for returning the whole vector, for returning the whole row index vector, we can see. So this is a good approach, huh? So if you find this helpful, then please like, share, subscribe, yeah, please. And if you know another approaches, if you have any doubt in this approach, please comment. I will reply for your comment also. सो प्लीज कमेंट एंड प्लीज लाइक शेयर एंड सब्सक्राइब एंड दैट विल मोटिवेट मी। प्लीज एक बार कर दो लाइक शेयर सब्सक्राइब यार, ये मेरे को मोटिवेट करता है, दीज थिंग्स मोटिवेट्स मी यार। प्लीज लाइक शेयर एंड सब्सक्राइब and why we will meet we will see in next video also, not meet.